Hello and welcome. You are listening to a new episode made especially for English learners who want to speak more clearly, more calmly, and with more confidence. My name is John, and I'm really glad you're here today. Let me start with a simple question. Do you sometimes understand English very well? But when you want to speak, nothing comes out. You know the words, you know the meaning, but your mouth stays quiet and your mind feels empty. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. This happens to millions of English learners around the world. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. And there is nothing wrong with your brain in this episode. We are going to talk about why speaking feels difficult, even when listening feels easy. Then I will share 6 clear and practical ideas that can help you speak English more often and with less stress. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple sentences. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to understand everything perfectly. Just listen and relax. Let's begin. Understanding English is not the same as speaking English. Many learners think that listening and speaking are the same skill, but they are not when you listen to English. Your brain is in receive mode. You hear sounds. You connect them to meaning. You understand this is a passive skill. Speaking is different when you speak. Your brain must do many things at the same time. You must choose words. You must put them in order. You must make sounds. And you must do all of this quickly. This is an active skill. That is why many people say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. This is very common. Most learners spend many hours listening, reading, and watching. But they spend very little time using their voice. Speaking is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. The good news is this: you can train this skill. And you can do it step by step. Tip 1. Stop waiting to be perfect. Many learners wait too long before they start speaking. They say things like, my grammar is not good enough. My accent is not good. I need more vocabulary, so they wait. But waiting does not help. You do not need perfect English to speak. You need clear English if people understand you. Your English is working, for example. Yesterday I go to work and meet my friend. Is this perfect grammar? No. Is it clear? Yes. That is enough. Children speak like this when they learn their first language. They make mistakes, they repeat themselves, and slowly, they improve. You can do the same. Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem. Speak with the English you have today. Tomorrow, it will be better. Tip 2. Learn phrases, not single words. Many learners study English one word at a time. They learn words like busy, tired, happy, but in real life, people don't speak in single words. They speak in phrases. For example, I'm a bit tired today. I've been really busy lately. That makes me happy. These are natural pieces of English. When you learn full phrases, your brain works faster. You don't need to build a sentence from zero. The sentence is already there. This makes speaking easier and smoother. When you listen to English, pay attention to short phrases people use again and again. Write them down. Say them out loud. Ask yourself, can I use this sentence in my life? If the answer is yes, keep it. Tip 3. Talk to yourself every day. You do not need a partner to practice speaking. You do not need a teacher. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country. You can practice alone. Talking to yourself is one of the most powerful ways to build fluency. You can do it anywhere. At home, on a walk, in your car, while cooking. You can describe what you are doing. You can talk about your plans. You can explain your thoughts. For example, I'm making coffee now. I need to finish this later. I feel tired today. This trains your brain to find words faster. It helps you think in English. And there is no pressure. No one is listening. No one is judging. Just practice. Tip 4. Use technology to your advantage. Today, you are very lucky. You have access to tools that learners in the past did not have. AI tools can help you practice English safely. You can have conversations. You can ask for corrections. You can ask the AI to speak slowly. This is a great way to practice without fear. You are not just studying English. You are using English. And that is how fluency grows. Tip 5. Repeat the same idea in different ways. Fluency does not come from memorizing many topics. It comes from using simple ideas again and again. Take one sentence and change it. For example, I went to the store. Now add time. I went to the store this morning. Add a reason. I went to the store because we needed food. Change the feeling. I didn't want to go to the store, but I had to. This helps you think faster. It helps you stay flexible. It helps you speak more naturally. Tip 6. Speak a little every day. You don't need long practice sessions. 5 minutes is enough. 10 minutes is great. The key is consistency. Speak every day, even a little. Short practice is better than no practice. Over time, your confidence will grow. Your pauses will become shorter. Your sentences will feel more natural. Final thoughts. If you understand English but struggle to speak, you are not alone. This is a normal part of learning. Speaking is a skill. Skills grow with practice. Use your voice. Be patient with yourself. And keep going. You are doing better than you think. Thank you for listening. This episode was made for learners like you. See you next time.